1165 Pleasant Valley Road, Parma, Ohio. Got a park right across the street. Let's go inside. It's a one-car attached garage. You can see this is a nice big area. There's a refrigerator that stays with the house. I did put pictures in the MLS from when it wasn't snow on the outside, but this is the inside. So you have a newer garage door there. So let's go in here. And we've updated the property. We cleaned and polished all these floors. We did put some recessed lighting up here, which helps you see that. You have a nice big kitchen here, a little eat-in. So let's go and have, let's go in here and you have 3 bedrooms, 1 bath on the top floor. See this? Really, really nice. There's the bathroom, tub, shower. Here's the bedroom in here. Again, we put new blinds, paint, poly. Really nice, you know, just wanted to get it clean and nice. We did add a bathroom to this through the city. So you have 2 bathrooms in here now. You actually have 3 showers, I'll show you that. So let's go downstairs here in the basement, which we did put some new LTV in the finished basement area. So you see all that's done. Here's the bathroom, the new one. Big shower, toilet. So really, really nice full bath. Then you have some places you can put, you know, storage, whatever you want to do back here. But you have this area and newer heater right there. It's been serviced, and washer and dryer. There's your other shower. So you have 3 showers in there, and then again you have a lot of room back here for whatever you want to use it for. So this is a nice house in Parma, Ohio. Just redid it. LTV, new flooring, paint, everything. Thanks.